Friends, good morning. This is the new member in my musical instruments. I just received it a couple of days ago. Trumpet. Trumpet. I never played before. Let's see. But it's basically easier to assemble than saxophone and clarinet. So let me see. Can I blow it up? I learned how to hold it, how to place the fingers, but I'm not sure exactly I can blow it out. I can play the music. Looks like I make some sound. So this is the first time I ever hold trumpet on my hand. As I make sound, I think I could play it out. Again, I said it's easy to assemble, and I'm so happy to have it. Um, I like playing flute a lot, so I have um, in my collection lots of Indian bamboo flute. One saxophone, I ordered for another saxophone, clarinet. Both these two still, um, my assembling was not appropriate. I have to take helps from somebody. Uh, this trumpet I received a few days ago and easy to assemble, and I make some noise on it. So it's a good news. Still, I have to practice a lot. I'm so excited to have it in my collection. Um, I hope you will stay with my this adventure. All right, so I'll uh, come to the live again when I will able to learn more. Stay safe, stay blessed. Um, see you again.